Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PandaDoc with AI for proposal automation, full guide step by step clearly. To configure PandaDoc with AI for proposal automation, start by logging into your PandaDoc account. Navigate to the dashboard where all your documents are displayed. Select the option to create a new document. Choose proposal from the list of templates available. Once the template is open, personalize it to suit your business needs. Add your company logo, colors, and any relevant images to enhance branding. In the text sections, include placeholders for dynamic data. These placeholders will allow for automatic integration of information. Next, integrate AI features by navigating to the Integrations tab. Search for and select the AI tool you wish to use. Follow the prompts to authorize and connect the AI tool with your PandaDoc account. Once connected, you can set parameters for the AI to generate content within your proposals. Utilize the AI-generated content options to streamline information gathering. Tailor the AI settings to match your proposal style and tone. After making adjustments, save the proposal template for future use. Test the automation by creating a sample proposal using the AI features. Check for accuracy and ensure that all dynamic fields populate correctly. Make any necessary edits to the AI-generated content for quality assurance. Once satisfied with the proposal, finalize it and send it for approval or signing. Regularly review the AI settings and update them as needed to maintain consistency. Monitor the performance of your proposals to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your configurations based on feedback and analytics from completed proposals. Continue to explore additional functionalities within PandaDoc as they evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.